Workalism. A. Most workers spend 8 or 9 hours on the job. They work because it's unavoidable. They need to make enough money for necessities, food, rent, clothing, transportation, and so on. They spend about the third of their lives at work, but they hate it. They complain and count the minutes until quitting time each day or the days until their next vacation. By contrast, there are some people who actually enjoy working free. They love to work. They spend many extra hours on the job each week and often take work home with them. These workalism are as addicted to their jobs and other people are to drug on alcohol. In some urban centers, workalism is so common that people do not consider it unusual. They accept the lifestyle as normal. Government workers in Washington, D.C., for example, frequently work 60 to 70 hours a week. They don't do this because they have to. They do it because they want to. Hundreds of workalism in New York City tried to go to work even in the famous blackout of 1977. There was no electricity, no air conditioning. Elevator online by many people went to their office anyway. They sat impatiently on the step outside their office buildings and did paperwork or had business meetings. D. Workalism can be a serious problem because true workalism would rather work than do anything else. They probably don't know how to relax, that is, they might not enjoy movies, sport, or other types of entertainment. Most of all, they hate to sit and do nothing. This inability to rest may cause health problems, such as heart attack. In addition, typical workalism don't pay much attention to their families. They spend little time with their children, and their marriage may end in divorce. A. Is workalism always dangerous? Perhaps not. Some studies show that many workalism have great energy and interest in life. The work is so pleasurable that they are actually very happy. For most, workalism, work, and entertainment are the same thing. Their job provides them with a challenge. This keeps them busy and creative. Other people retire from work at age 65, but workalism usually prefer not to quit. They are still enthusiastic about work and life in their 80s and 90s. Why do workalism enjoy their job so much? There are several advantages to work. Of course, it provides people with pay hikes, and this is important, but it offers more than financial security. It provides people with self-confidence. They have a feeling of satisfaction when they produce a challenge piece of work and are able to say, I made that. Psychologists claim that work gives people an identity. So participation in work, they get sense of self and individuals in addition. Most job provides people with a socially acceptable way to. The text explains that most people work about 8 or 9 hours a day to meet their necessities, even though they don't like it. However, there are individuals who actually enjoy working, even spending more time at work as if they are addicted to it. Workalism is a condition where people work excessively, and it is considered a serious issue because it can lead to physical and mental health problems, such as heart attack or divorce. On the other hand, some people feel happy and satisfied because work provides them with challenge and sense of accomplishment, although they often neglect other aspects of, of life, such as family and leisure time. Through correction and responsibility, work can build a strong sense of self-confidence and identity. This fact shows that workaholism is a complex problem with both positive and negative consequences.